Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kay Monteverde, and I'm going to report to you about the three systems of the shark. The first is the circulatory system, the second is respiratory system, and the nervous system of the shark. The scientific name of shark is Silacimorpha. Sharks are a group of elasmobranch fish characterized by their unique features, including a cartilaginous skeleton, 5 to 7 gill slits on the side of the head, and separate pectoral fins. These fascinating creatures belong to the clade Silacimorpha and are closely related to Bathoidae. This is the cardiovascular system of the shark. A shark's heart is two-chambered, shaped tube, small in proportion to body size, located in the head region. Makita ko ng heart sa head region sa ang shark. Heart has an atrium and ventricle. Muna sa ang two chambers ng heart, the atrium and the ventricle. Paano mag-flow ang blood, mag-circulate? The blood is pumped by the heart through the afferent bronchial arteries to capillaries in the gills, where the blood is oxygenated. Ang blood ko is ipump sa heart pakadto sa bronchial arteries, pasunod sa bronchial arteries to capillaries, kag dito dito oxygenated blood na. The blood then flows through afferent bronchial arteries, through the tissues of the body, and back to the heart in veins. Atrium deposits the blood into the muscular ventricle, which pumps to expel the blood out through the bulbus exteriosus. Then, the ventricles is the thick muscular walled cavity that pumps blood through the conus arteriosus to the gills and the body. Pagkasulod sa blood is madiretso sa atrium, which is daraga pumps to expel the blood, then pakadto sa ventricles. Then ang ventricles naman is ang work na is ma-pump naman siya throughout the body and back to gills para magkuha sang oxygenated blood again. Then ang ma-circulate na siya. Para maggana ang circulation sa aton nga blood, sa blood sang shark,